many times should I tell you, Amma, that I don't want to marry Theon? Ryan, Mom. But Ryan, you're still young. You have to marry him. I know it's hard for you, but please accept him. You know that it is hard for me that. Why are you forcing me, Amma? Ryan, Mom. Because I care for you and your future. You can't be single throughout your life. But Amma, it's been 6 months. He's dead. How can I marry his brother? Ryan, Mom. He's the perfect one for you. We did not like Damon very much. But as you said, you love him. We accepted him. Theon said okay to this marriage, Ryan. You, give me some time to think. You said and you went to your bedroom. Temina, is it right to marry him? You mumbled and you slept while thinking continuously. Next day, Ryan, Mom. Look, Ryan, Theon came to meet you. I did not fresh up. Say him to come to my room after few minutes. You said and your mom left your room and she came towards Theon. Your mom, she's bathing. Just wait for a few minutes. Theon, it's okay, no problem. And auntie, did she accept me? Ryan, Mom, it's making hard for her to accept you. But I don't know what her decision is. Just ask it by yourself. Theon, okay, auntie. There. After some time, he shouted from your room and he made his way towards your room. Theon, how are you, Ryan? He asked while coming inside of your room. I don't know how to answer this question. Maybe fine. Theon, how many days you will be like this? Just accept the reality. I know. It is very hard for us to accept that he is no more. I too lost my younger brother. He took promise from me to marry you. So please, for the sake of his happiness, marry me. Tears started forming in your eyes. That's it. You busted into tears and he came closer to you and you hugged him tightly. He also hugged you back. Why he left me? I'm alone without him. I need him. Theo, everything will be fine. Please don't cry. He won't be happy seeing you like this. Please stop crying. Okay. I will make his wish fulfill. Let's get married. Theo, really? He asked with wide eyes and you nodded your head. Theo, thank you Ryan for making me happy. He said and he hugged you. But you did not hug him back, which made him sad. Theo, I will tell this news to everyone. Okay. He left and he went to your parents and said about the news. Then both of your parents fixed the date of the wedding. Author POV. So, let me tell you about you. You are Kim Ryan, married to Kim Taemin. You, Theon and Taemin, three of you studied in the same university. And daily, you used to get letters from your secret admirer. Then, you got to know that your secret admirer is Taemin. He proposed you and you two accepted him. You both dated for 3 months. Then, he married you. After 3 months of your wedding, he lost his life in an accident, which made your world lost. You can't take it that he is dead. Little by little, with the help of Theon, you started accepting that he is no more. Theon cured you from depression. He tried to make you happy many times. End of author POV. Your mom. What are you thinking, Ryan? I'm scared, Mama. Will I be able to love Tay? Ryan, Mom. You will. Try to accept him. He's a good person. He can do anything for you. He is very precious. Don't hurt him, Ryan. Okay, Amma. You said and you laid your head on your mother's lap. And she started patting your head. The wedding day. Finally, it is big day for both of you. Makeup artist did makeup to you. And after few minutes, you went to the aside. Theo, "You're looking beautiful, Ryan," he said, and you gave a fake smile to him. Priest started reading the rituals. Priest, you may kiss the bride. You. No, no. He should not kiss me. Taeyong noticed your nervousness and he gave his boxy smile to you and he came closer to you, then he kissed your forehead softly. When he kissed your forehead, you felt butterflies in your stomach. You never felt this feeling around Taemin. Taeyong, I promise you that I will take care of you. I won't hurt you. Even if I hurt you, then you are free to kill me. You, stop saying that words and let's go. Taeyong, sad smile. Okay, let's go. Ryan, Mom, I won't say anything because I believe you, Taeyong, thank you, Amma. And Ryan, let's go. He said, and you both made your way towards his mansion. Taeyong, I'm sorry. You, why? He did not say anything. Then he lifted you in bridal style and he started moving towards the room. Taeyong, you can go and freshen up yourself and I will fresh up afterward. He said, and you freshen up yourself, and Taeyong went to bathroom to fresh up himself. When Taeyong came outside, he saw you sitting with the photo frame of his and Taemin's. Taeyong's heart ached, but he shrugged it and he came towards you. Taeyong, Vayana, you, I'm not crying, I'm just missing him. Taeyong, me too. And you can sleep on the bed. I will sleep in the coach. You, no need of it. The bed is very big that we both can fit in it. Don't worry. Taeyong, okay. He said, and you are facing your back to him. Taeyong, Vayan, can't you see my love towards you? I will try harder to make you fall for me. He said to himself, and he slept after a few minutes. Next day, you woke up when sun rays kissed your face. You turned your head and you saw Taeyong sleeping cutely. You, indeed, Taemin and Taeyong, both of them look same. But Taeyong holds happiness and cuteness. Meanwhile, Taemin holds so much of attitude and boldness. Suddenly, you cupped his bright cheeks and you started caressing his cheeks. But suddenly, you saw a mole under his nose. You softly touched the mole. You, I didn't know that you have this mole, Taeyong. Why would you? Because you are totally in Taemin's world. He said raspily, which made you widen your eyes, and you moved back. You, I'm sorry for making you uncomfortable. Taeyong, you can't make me uncomfortable, Bear. You, Pardon? Taeyong, nothing. Taeyong, I slipped my tongue. He thought in his mind, Taeyong, let's go for a movie in the evening. I have already booked the tickets. You, okay. Taeyong, okay, so it's getting late. I have to go office. You take rest. He said, and he freshened up himself and he immediately went to office. After some time, Taeyong came and he is waiting for you in the living room. Taeyong, this girl did not change the bed, still taking hours to get ready. He said, and he is waiting for you. You, Tae, let's go. You said, and he raised his head and he looked at you. His heart is beating faster when he saw you. Taeyong, gorgeous. He said, and he took your hand. Then he kissed back of your hand, which made your heart beat faster. Taeyong, shall we go? You, yeah, sure. He said, and you both started moving to the destination. You, why do I feel a strange feeling around him? He's making me special, which Taemin never made me felt. You thought, but you immediately shrugged it off. You both are watching movie. A joke popped out which made you laugh. Taeyong felt very happy after seeing you smile and he's continuously looking at you. You, what? Taeyong, nothing, he said, and he gave a smile to you. Movie had been ended, and you both came outside. Taeyong went to bring the car, and you are waiting for him. When you are waiting for him, an unknown person came towards you. Man, hello beautiful. You ignored him, and you are still waiting for Taeyong. He caught your wrist, and he started pulling you towards him. You are continuously pushing him. You, leave me, bastard. If my husband will get to know, he will kill you. He came closer to your face, and he was about to kiss you, but suddenly he fell on the ground due to harsh kick. You, teary eyes. Tae? You went to him and you hugged him without thinking twice. He hugged you back. Taeyong, don't worry, I'm here. Let us treat this bastard a lesson, he said, and he broke the hug. Then he came to that person and slapped across his face hardly and pulled him by his collar. Taeyong, slap him. You, but, Taeyong, now, he said, and you slapped him hardly, which made Taeyong smirk. Taeyong, get lost before I do something else, he said, and that man immediately ran for his life. Taeyong, let's go, he said, and he caught your wrist. You are following him. You don't know why you are feeling special when he took stand for you. He protected you, and now you are believing that he can do anything for you. You both went to the house and you caught Taeyong's wrist. You, thank you, Tae. Taeyong, it's okay. It's my duty to protect you. You are my wife. You are my other half. You are my everything, Vayana. You, thank you, Tae, for caring me. Taeyong, it's okay. Leave it. Go and take rest, he said, and you went to the room. And after some time, Taeyong came to the room. Then you both are taking rest. After 3 months. In these 3 months, Taeyong care and love for you increasing more and more. You are confused because when he touches you, you feel butterflies in your stomach. When he kisses your forehead, it always makes your heart skip a beat. You, Taemina, am I betraying you? I think I'm falling for your heart. You sighed sadly and you started roaming, but suddenly your eyes fell on a room and you saw it is locked. You searched for keys of it and you found it. Then you immediately went inside the room. You turned on the light and your breath hissed when you saw the surroundings. You, gosh, it's me. These are my photos. But why are they here? You saw about 1,000 photographs of yours hanging on the wall and you slowly moved towards the photographs. You can see the date written on each photograph, but suddenly your eyes fell on a box. You immediately went towards the box and you opened it. You, what papers are these? You immediately opened and you are shocked when you saw it because these are the letters which was given by your secret admirer, that is Taemin. You, these letters should be in our old house. Why these are in Taeyong's house? You can see each and every gift which was given by this secret admirer, and now you are confused as hell. You, I will ask Tae everything, you said, and you are waiting for Taeyong in the living room. And after some time, Taeyong came and he greeted you. Then he is confused why you did not greeted him back. Taeyong, what happened, Vayan? You, what is this all, Taeyong? You asked while showing the letters to him, which made him panic. Taeyong, where did you find this? You, first answer my question. Why these letters are with you? Don't dare to lie to me, please. Taeyong, these letters were written by me, Vayan. I used to hide these letters in your locker. You, so that means you are my secret admirer? Taeyong, yes. I'm sorry for taking the letters without your knowing. You thought Thank you for loving me and thank you for coming in my life, he said, and he's looking at you, and you are also looking at him. Then his eyes fell on your lips. He looked at you and you nodded your head. When you nodded your head, he immediately pulled you closer to him and he placed his lips on yours and he kissing you passionately. You are also kissing him back, which made him smile in kiss. And finally, he connected his forehead with yours and he is deeply looking into your eyes. Then he gave a smile to you. You also gave a smile to him. Then he gave a long peek on your forehead.
मैं तेरी आंखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं, तुझे खुश मैं रखूंगा सोनिया, मैं तेरे होठों पे खामोश।
You stop playing with Terry. You are really spoiling her. It's already late. Let's go. Theo, go to where? You already forgot? My dad has invited us to lunch. Theo, right. Okay, give me 5 minutes, baby. I'll be right back, he said, and he rushed to the room. Meanwhile, you went to the Terry. You, oh my chocolate pie, your appa is spoiling you a lot. I have to teach him a good lesson. Terry, yeah, Amma, I'm with you. You, I know my cutie, you will always be on my side. I will buy you more chocolates than your appa. Terry, love you, Amma, she said, and you both giggled and you hugged her by saying, You, I love you too, my puppy. Then suddenly, Taeyong came in front of you both. Taeyong, I'm all set. Let's go. Terry, yeah, Appa, let's go. Like that, Terry hurriedly running towards the car, while Tay caught your wrist and said, Taeyong, where is my hug, kiss, and love you? You, so you remember these, huh? Taeyong, I'm watching from yesterday. You are only giving kisses to Terry, but not me. Give me my kiss now. You, cause I love Terry a little more. You said, and you quickly ran towards car, where Terry is already in the car. Terry, Appa, hurry up, let's go to Grandma. Taeyong hopped in the car and he started driving. You, what happened to him? You said to yourself. Soon, Terry fell into sleep and you asked Tay what happened. Taeyong, you should know that. You, Tay, I have only one baby and don't be a baby now. Taeyong, yeah, you only have one baby. Okay, got it. You can see his sulking face. Terry, Grandma, Grandpa, she shouted while running towards them and hugged them. Yeah, Mom. I go, my puppy. You're becoming cute day by day. Then, obviously, she's cute because she's Ryan's daughter, right? He said, and all laughed. You, stop it there. He took Terry to him and slowly he whispered something which is audible to you. There. Terry, tell your Amma that I won't talk with your Amma. Your mom. Okay guys, come, let's have lunch. After some time, you completed your lunch, but you sat in your place like that only because Terry insisted you to sit. So she will complete her lunch. You, Terry, what is this behavior? Complete fast so I can get up. Terry is laughing by seeing you. Then suddenly, Taeyong kept his hand on your thigh under the table. You got chills and you widened your eyes. You are pushing his hand away, but he again kept his hand. Then suddenly, Terry shouted, Terry, I'm done, Mama. Now, let's go. That's it. You stood up and went with Terry. Then, Taeyong was satisfied by your reaction. And then, he is talking to your dad. Tay came to the room where you and Terry are playing with each other. Then again, Tay is continuously seeing you. You, what happened to you, Tay? You whispered to him. Taeyong, Terry, is it wrong to keep an eye on our properties? Terry, no, Appa, we have to watch them time to time. Taeyong, perfect, my cutie. And Terry, Grandma got you some toys. Go to her, she called you. Terry quickly went out the room. He suddenly came towards you. You stood up, then he pulled you closer by your waist. You. What are you doing, Tay? Taeyong, is it wrong to take control of my wife? Without any warning, he kissed you. Then suddenly, Terry came and said, Terry. Nice plan, Appa. You tricked me to kiss Oma? Wait, I'll say to Grandpa and Grandma. Taeyong, no, wait, my pie. Taeyong is continuously giving chocolates to Terry, and you are laughing by watching them. Taeyong, Ryan, help me. You, but I'm always Terry's side. Taeyong, you both? Then he came and hugged you both. The laughter has filled throughout the room, which made you and Taeyong very happy.